Hi guys, I'm Pamela and I want to review my multifunctional cash register. And don't have a page. That is the back of it. 3 AA batteries. 3 AA. And I have here is the direction. You see, this is the food, but I have many foods in my cash register, many coins in my cash register. So I have here is my cash register. So when you see the the on button, you will have a sound. See, and when you off it, it's actually off. Don't have a sound off. So to have this, if you want to on, then it light up. And when you push this button here, yes, and it will have a sound, and it will light up. And so for this open sign here, so press the open sign and you will see the money here, and it actually have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cash. And I have a box here. You can see the credit card. So the credit card, when you insert the slot the card, screen will display 0. And this is the coin. So this is the basket for marketing, and this is the food and other stuff. So I have here green vegetables, 50, and 1 big corn and small corn. And I have here 3 pizza. So just I want to get that. So this 3 pizza, this 3 pizza, and a pizza, whatever, I don't know, and 1 pair of egg, cannot open, it's really plastic, see, can take it again, back, see, can take it again, and I have here is the strawberry. This is fluffy health. It's really cool. And pretty cool. Love strawberry. Wants a strawberry cupcake. Come and buy. And I have here is in full cream milk powder. At cool. And it says, warning, choking hazard, small part not for children under 3 years old. So, you can see the warning here. And a knife! It's a very cool. So cool. It really runs like a knife because it's glass. Oh my! My hand glittered. My hand glittered. And I have here a pair of water, and it can open. But it's a small hole. It's a small hole. Put. And you can take it on again. Take it on again. And I have this one, ketchup, tomato ketchup. And it's have a branch here. See? And it can open to just like the water. In a small hole. So it just can be just like for real. And my favorite food, pizza. Spaghetti. And I love some spaghetti here. Really tasty, really tasty. I have eggplant.
Yeah.
Eggplant toy. Eggplant toy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I have here is a nut. It's really a plastic, just like the egg one. See? So how to get it on again is roll it again. Ouch! It's really hot. And lemon. Chinin. It's now 2 lemons. 2 lemons. You can get it on that again. Oh, okay. Then back again. And you can have your knife here and your lemon. Again. Gosh, it up here and one here. I don't know what is the name of it. And a chicken. Oh, a chicken. A really, really good chicken. Yummy, yummy. Then, ready to cook. Ready to cook. So I want to say to you the direction. So this is it. Then I want to read.
It's 7 o'clock.
Simulating the real styles, all are made carefully. All styles are wonderful. So I said to you this button, open button, is to open this. See? So to get in back, we want to pull that. So then select the card screen will display 0. So this is the card. Okay. This is the Smart Bank insert card. So when you get it on, slide, and it will turn on and it will display 0. See? So off. Then what I'm gonna do now is to calculator here. This is the calculator, numbers, sign, here, sign, this of P or C, and press the button of the scanner. The light on the cash register will light up with sound, and when you on, so it will light up. That I say, see, light up, and it will have a sound. And I mean, this, 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 whatever. Don't know what is the what, Gigi. And I don't know what. And this one, the scanner place is can remove. See, can remove, and it can back to. See how it works. So because it have just like this, and it have the scanner place just like that. See, it have hole here. Then it on. Excuse me. And that is all. So thank you for watching my cash register review, and see you again in my next video. I think it's a dance, sing, a funny video, or toy review, or tour. Just want to. So see you guys. Bye.